What's poppin', everybody? Is your boy David again, and I'm back with another video today. If you guys are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, and comment down below. So magre-react tayo ngayon sa BINI. May bago silang nilabas na kanta and official music video as well. So this is Blink Twice. So akala ko kanina may collab sila sa grupong Twice. Hindi pala. Yung title lang pala is Blink Twice. So, if bago kayo dito, don't forget to subscribe. And you can also follow me on Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram for more reaction videos. Okay? So, with no further ado, let's jump right into the video. Let's go, BINIverse. Gaganda. Haha. Okay. Ang galing ng editing, ah. Like, legit yung editing, yung pag-produce. Okay? Basta, international level. 18 seconds pa lang sa video, sasabihin ko na to. Pang international level, hindi cringe tingnan. Okay? Ang galing ng editing. Yung mga effects. Oh, tingnan niyo yan. Sarah G. Bakit katunog niya si ano dun? Si Ariana. Da, 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 da. Yung gano'n na. Pakinggan nyo yung first line ni Aya dito. Pakinggan nyo. First line ni Aya. Let's have some fun with it. Yung gano'n. Yung tapon niya sa word na sa with it. If hindi ako nagkakamali. Pakinggan nyo ulit. Trying my best not to step up on your landmine. Let's have some fun with it. Cause you know I'm running it. Hey. Bro. Ang sarap sa tenga. Yo, hindi lang yung music video yung pang-international. The song itself, sasabihin na very typical, but no. As a P-pop group, ganitong quality, man. This deserves a worldwide recognition. Hindi ako nagpapa sa inyo, ah. No bias to. Non-bias opinion. Yan talagang reaction ko dito. Galing ng editing, eh. Hey, let's go, Gwen. Ooh. I just love that part. I just love that part. Parang ito yung pre-chorus, di ba? Yo, the musicality, it's okay. Siguro sa iba, OA mo OA ng reaction, OA ng opinion, no? But this is really coming from how I am reacting to this at the moment. May ka-level siya nung musicality. Well, you can argue vocally hindi man siguro, but I can really get an Ariana vibes. Okay? Very international, no? Minimal lang yung minimal yung mga phrasing, but man, musically, it's so good. Ganda nung doon, transition ng shots.
If you like me, blink twice. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me. He's not even thinking about me. Maybe he's just looking at me.
Bro.
Maybe he's just looking at me.
What? Ang bitin. Super bitin. Anyway. Okay, I have to be very, very honest, Well, a lot of you may argue with me. But I think, as of the moment, may 2 million views na siya on YouTube. And hindi ako magtataka if this goes viral, okay? Hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas. Maybe Southeast Asia or maybe worldwide. Because the musicality talaga very catchy, and alam mo yung ang ganda ng vibe, and basta Ariana Grande talaga yung dating sa akin. I don't know why, but that's what I'm getting. Oy, legit yung Bini ngayon, legit. 'Di ba? Kasi when they started, 'di ba? Ang daming bashers. Okay? Ako din nakapagbigay din ako ng negative comments sa kanila dati. Na I have to admit that one. Okay? I have to admit that one. But hindi ako like basher ng Bini. Hindi ako ganoon. Okay? I'm just being honest, and I really say what I wanna say. But ngayon, man, legit yung Bini ngayon, man. Etong kantan to, this is game changer for the group. Game changer for the group. Good job. Hands down. Ang galing. 'Di ba? Nothing, yung mga vocals, i-compare natin yung vocals nila dito sa Pantropico or yung mga previous na viral songs nila, no? Yung talagang nagpasikat sa grupo. I-compare natin, the vocals are just minimal, no? But totally the song, yung musicality, ang galing, ang ganda. Yun nga lang bitin. Yun lang yung comment ko dito na hindi naman siya negative, but yun lang yung comment ko, side comment, na bitin lang siya talaga. No? Wala masyadong it was just, the dynamics was just soft, hindi siya like walang mga climax talaga, but it's really catchy, no? Good job. So, mag-comment kayo sa baba if ano sa tingin nyo. Agree ba kayo sa akin or may idadagdag kayo? Just comment it down below. Okay? Peace. God bless you all.